Today we'll see the easiest free method to upload your website to the internet. If your computer has HTML files of your website like this, but you want to publish it on the internet so that anyone can type its name and then visit it, then this video will help you. Of course, you don't want that the first time someone visits your site that it's loading slowly and they leave, right? So at the end of this video, I'll show you a free tool to keep your site super fast with a 90+ score on Google PageSpeed. Now the first step is to open the folder that has our website files. Now these are the HTML files we will upload. Make sure your homepage is named as index.html. Now instead of uploading them one by one, select all of them, right-click, and compress them into a zip folder. Now we will use this folder later on. The next step to publish your site on the internet is to get a hosting plan and domain name. Now, there are many hosting providers, and no matter which one you select, don't worry, the steps I show you in this video will work for all of them. Today, I'll use Bluehost, not because it's sponsored or anything, it's just that I found a discount link for it, and yes, you can also use it. After clicking this link, we come to this page. Click on Get Started button. You'll see a list of plans. For beginners, the basic plan is more than enough. Click Select here. Next, you need to choose a domain name, which is your website name like this. From here, you want to fill out all your account information like this. Scrolling down, you want to review the package information. For beginners, I recommend starting with the 12-month package. It's a good balance between cost and commitment. Then scroll down to the package extras, uncheck all the extras, agree to the terms of service, and click Submit. Finally, enter your payment details. After your purchase, you'll be prompted to create a password for your account. Once you click Submit, they'll send you an email to log into your hosting area. Now log into Bluehost, and you'll see the option to create a new site or migrate a site. Click on Migrate Website. Click here, and then click on File Manager. Open the public HTML folder. This is where we will upload our website files. There might be some sample files in this directory, so let's get rid of them first. We need to select all the files and click Delete. Good, now we can upload the website files. Click the upload icon and choose File. Select your website file, which is that zip folder. Now the processing icon here shows that uploading is in progress. Once the process is completed, you can now see the file in this folder. Set the destination as the public HTML folder. Now you can see that all of our website files are now extracted. Okay, next we need to install WordPress because that is the best free website editor that will help us customize our website later on. Click on the My Sites tab, click the Start Building button. Once done, it will take a couple of minutes to install WordPress. Here is the login name and password you want to use to enter WordPress. Make sure you save this to your notes because you will need it later. Then click on the My Sites tab, hover over the site we used earlier, and click Manage Sites. On the upper rightmost corner, click Login to WordPress, and you'll come here. Now we've reached the WordPress dashboard. From here, you will edit and manage your live website. Now open a new tab, type your domain name, and yes, you can see that your site is now live on the internet. But your visitors may not visit this site unless you do one more thing. Open another tab and type Google PageSpeed. Now click on the PageSpeed Insights. This is a free page by Google to check if your website is loading too slowly and driving away visitors. So go back to your website, copy the URL, come back and paste it here. Then click Analyze. Now you can see that your site score is quite low and there's many red warnings here. If the score is less than 90 and there's a single red number here, then we need to increase the site speed. The best free tool to increase the site speed is Airlift. So you will go here to open another tab, type airlift.net, and this website will open. Yes, that is my face because my team built this, but don't worry, it's 100% free and we have built successful plugins before, so you can trust when I say that this is the best free speed plugin in the market. So click Sign Up, add your email, now paste your website URL here and click here. Now download the plugin by clicking here. You can see a zip file has been downloaded. Then go back to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New, then drag and drop the folder. Install the plugin and then activate it. Now your site is automatically being optimized, and here you can see a big jump in your site speed. If you go back to the PageSpeed Insights and analyze again, you'll now see the improved score. Now come back to your WordPress dashboard, and if you want to customize or edit your website, check out this next tutorial that I made for you.